Roger Penrose, one of the greatest minds in mathematics and physics, was born on August 8, 1931, in Colchester, England. He grew up in a family full of scientific and creative energy. His father, Lionel Penrose, was a well-known psychiatrist and geneticist, and his brother Oliver became a physicist too. From childhood, Roger was fascinated by puzzles, geometry, and mathematics. This passion eventually took him to University College London, and later to Cambridge, where he completed his PhD in mathematics. As a young mathematician, Penrose showed an extraordinary imagination. He did not just work with numbers, he visualized shapes, spaces, and patterns that others couldn't see. In the 1960s, he made one of his most important discoveries. He proved that black holes are not just strange theoretical ideas, but real physical objects that must exist as a consequence of Einstein's theory of relativity. His famous singularity theorem demonstrated that when a massive star collapses, it will inevitably form a singularity, a place where space and time themselves break down. This breakthrough laid the foundation for Stephen Hawking's work on black hole radiation, and together Penrose and Hawking created a new understanding of the universe. Penrose did not stop there. He went on to develop Twistor Theory, his bold attempt to connect general relativity with quantum mechanics, the two great but conflicting pillars of modern physics. While still incomplete, Twistor Theory inspired generations of physicists to look at the universe in a completely new way. He also created the Penrose diagrams, simple but powerful visual maps of spacetime that help scientists understand black holes. But Penrose's creativity reached far beyond physics. He discovered Penrose Tiling, beautiful patterns that fit together perfectly yet never repeat. These patterns fascinated both scientists and artists, including M.C. Escher, whose artworks were inspired by Penrose's discoveries. His ideas blurred the line between science and art. In 2020, Roger Penrose was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics for showing that black hole formation is an unavoidable result of relativity. Even at nearly 90 years old, he stood on stage as proof that curiosity and imagination have no age limit. Penrose also dared to explore human consciousness. In books like The Emperor's New Mind and Shadows of the Mind, he argued that the mind cannot be explained only through computer algorithms or artificial intelligence. He suggested that unknown laws of physics, possibly involving quantum mechanics, might be behind the mystery of consciousness. His views sparked debate across science and philosophy, but they also opened up new ways of thinking. Throughout his life, Penrose has written many influential books, including The Road to Reality and Cycles of Time. His gift is not only in solving equations but also in sharing his vision of the universe with the world. He has inspired both scientists and ordinary people to wonder about the deepest mysteries of reality. Sir Roger Penrose is more than a mathematician or physicist. He is a thinker, a dreamer, and a pioneer who has shown us that the universe is filled with hidden patterns waiting to be discovered. From black holes to human consciousness, his ideas have changed the way we look at everything. His story reminds us that science is not just about formulas and experiments, it is about imagination, curiosity, and the courage to ask questions no one else dares to ask.